Sani. I'm glad you're enjoying learning Sicilian with me and remembering all the Sicilian words that I mentioned. Yes, I had a lot of requests to know the spelling of the words. I'm starting to put them now on the videos, like on the video itself, rather than I used to do before. I used to put it in the description. So now, yes, I'll be putting it on the video as well as on the description when I post the video. Now, today's word is, well, it's pretty common to me, but maybe some people are not aware of it or don't remember it. You know when you have an open wound, whether you get cut or you get surgery, and it makes infection to the point that you've got pus, you know, that green liquid? Well, in Sicilian, we say marzza, ficia marzza. In Italian, we say micio. It's a very different word. Micio, ha fatto il micio. So it made pus, ficia marzza. So that's the green liquid when you're infected, when you have a wound that's infected. So that's the word for today. Please continue to watch and enjoy my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu.